Next, we're going to look at finding the domain and range from a graph. So the domain is the x values. So you're looking at how far left and how far right does the graph go. The range is the y values, and you're looking at how high does the function go and how low does the function go. On number 4 and 5, they want us to find the domain and range of a function and to give the answers in interval notation. So instead of finding the domain of a function as an equation, we're looking for the domain and range of a function as a graph. So graphically, the domain is the x values, which really has to deal with how far left and how far right. So I'm only looking at left and right. So how far left does this function go? It goes to 4. 4 is as far left as this function goes. How far right does this function go? It goes to 8, and it actually doesn't even reach 8 because it has an open dot there. So my domain is going to be positive 4 to 8, and it's a brackets around 4 but a parentheses around 8. Now the range is talking about the y values. So I no longer care about left and right, I care about up and down. So how far down does this function go? Well, the lowest value is 2, and it actually doesn't reach that because it's an open dot. The highest value is 8, and it actually does reach that. So my range would be 2 to 8, not including 2, but including 8. So you really have to kind of separate in your mind left and right from up and down. Let's look at 5, and my domain here. The furthest left, this actually is going forever in that direction. So I'm actually going to start at negative infinity, and the furthest right this goes is over here at 1. So this all goes all the way to 1. With the range, the furthest down it goes is here, which is at 0, and the furthest up it goes, that's actually not the furthest up it goes because again this is an arrow, so it's going to continue in there. So it actually doesn't have a limit or a boundary as you go up. So this is going to be from 0 to infinity. So again, left and right is your domain, and up and down is your range.